Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 491 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited because I'm trying out the Tarte Face Tape Foundation. So I just picked this up from Ulta. If you want to see my Ulta haul, I will link that video down below. But this retails for $39. That just sounds so expensive, especially because I'm starting the process of buying a home, and when I think about spending $40 on a foundation, I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that, but I did. So I got this in the shade Fair Light Neutral, and this comes in 50 shades. And I really wanted to try this out because I had seen some of my favorite beauty YouTubers talking about how much they liked this foundation, and isn't that just the best way to learn about new products? But when I went on the Ulta website, this actually had pretty low rating. It was like maybe a 2.5 or a 3.5 star out of 5, and that's not very good. So that made me a little bit more nervous to try this out, but that's not going to sway my decision or my review of it. But it sounds really nice. It says full coverage, flawless, natural, matte finish, and it's supposed to be hydrating. It's also supposed to be waterproof. It's vegan and cruelty-free. So let's just get into it. I'm a big fan of Tarte. I love their concealers. I love their primers. I actually already primed my skin with the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I wanted to use this primer, well, just because I love this primer and it's my daily primer these days, but also because I wanted to use another Tarte product. That way they would pair well together, hopefully, and just give my skin a good base so that this has the best chance at performing well. And so look at this packaging. This is really nice. Oh, also, I did a review on this, so if you want to see that video, I will link it down below because this is a great product that I highly recommend. But so let's see. Oh, that's right, it's a pump. I forgot that it had a pump, which I like. So I'm just going to be taking my dampened beauty sponge and apply this to the back of my hand. It says to do 1 to 2 pumps, and this looks like a really good shade. I love that they have 50 shades. I feel like I was really able to find the perfect shade. And I got this online and I was still really easily able to get my perfect shade. But I do really like this packaging. And so my skin is combination. It gets oily along the T-zone, but then dry, sometimes along my chin, the side of my face, and I have large pores along my cheeks and my nose, redness on my cheeks. So we're gonna see how this foundation does with covering up all of that. I'm gonna start out by applying it to just one half of my face. I think I might have taken too much onto the back of my hand because I just took the tiniest little bit onto my sponge and I was able to cover like my entire cheek area. I really like that a little bit goes a long way and that it's blending out really easily. But yeah, that is a great shade. Something that I saw about this was that it claimed that 100% of the people saw minimized pores, and wow, this really does an amazing job of smoothing out the look of my pores. I'm very impressed by that. I definitely agree that it minimizes the look of pores. Yeah, and I did not need that much product to do this entire half of my face, and that is good coverage. Just this one thin layer, I would say is medium to full coverage. So let me show you the difference. My face with it versus without it. Oh, the difference. Gosh, and I don't know why anyone would complain about this foundation. It looks fantastic. It looks so smooth and natural on my skin. It looks so smooth over my pores. I'm just so excited about that. It's great coverage. So it does claim to have that matte finish, but it does not look chalky or drying. It looks like a natural finish, and I'm really loving the way that my skin is looking. So I am very happy with this so far. but I'm gonna go ahead and of course do the other half of my face. Okay, so the foundation is completely applied and I'm kind of bummed because I absolutely love a $39 foundation. Honestly, I was kind of hoping that I wouldn't love it because it's $39, and that's just like, since I love dollar store makeup and very inexpensive makeup, I'm like, that is so expensive. Hopefully I won't like it, but unfortunately I really love this and I need it in my life. Like, it just did everything I wanted my foundation to do. It perfected my skin, but it looks so natural. Like, the texture of it on my skin, you can't even detect a foundation, but it's just so full coverage, so comfortable. So basically it's perfect, except for it's expensive. It's just like so smoothing. I think that's what I'm amazed by the most. It doesn't emphasize any texture. In fact, it gets rid of texture, and I don't know if I've really even seen that with any foundation, so I'm very, very impressed by that. But so I am going to continue wearing this for the rest of the day, and in the description box down below, I will note my wear test of how this lasts on my skin, how my other makeup applied on top of it, any information like that. I will put that in the description box down below. But if you have any questions, of course, leave those in the comments and I will get back to you. And also let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this and what your thoughts are on it, because I'm just so curious as to why anyone would not like this. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.